Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you enjoy doing background cartoon art as much as I do, I think you're going to like this technique. Well, if you look at the background, it may look very similar to one of the Warner Brothers classic, Wile E. Coyote Super Genius. That's right, that's the Roadrunner and the Coyote show. So, if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.